How to add 1 minute story on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add 1 minute story on Instagram. Instagram has launched a new feature in which you can add 1 minute story on your Instagram. For that, you'll need to make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed on your device. You can go to the Play Store and check for the updates if you haven't updated it. Open your Play Store application and in the search bar type Instagram. Once you open the Instagram, at the right side of it, you will find update option. If you find the update button at the right side, you will need to tap on it and update the application. But if you find open button instead of update, then that means your app is already up to date. Now once your app is up to date, come back to the home page and open your Instagram application. And make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here on this page, you will find your story option at the top left. You just simply have to tap on this option, select a 1 minute video from your gallery. Once you have selected the video, you can edit it by adding text, stickers, drawings, or even filters. You can use the icons at the top of the screen to add these elements. Now after editing your story, tap on your story button at the bottom left of the screen, and this will add your story to your profile for 24 hours. Wait until it is published. And now once the story is posted, tap on your icon at the top left to open up your story. And then there you will find you have successfully added 1 minute story on Instagram. So in this way you can add 1 minute story on Instagram for your followers to view. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.